lights. Yeah, pretty dark in here, love.
It's autumn.
Well, that's true.
It's Sunday and it's late in the day actually for us to start filming.
It is. Are you going to be a bit stormy or are we going to be okay? We're on calm seas today.
I'm not sure.
Okay, welcome to Cocktail Corner. Welcome to one of the easiest cocktail recipes you'll ever do. Honestly, you'll ever do.
I'll ever
Yeah,
do.
well, I'm teaching you.
Alright.
Okay, the only thing is, if you do this wrong, you could be sued. Okay, so we're doing a dark and stormy. Not a dark and stormy, a dark and stormy. It's got an M and an apostrophe in it. Dark and stormy. And it's a Bermudan drink. It's their most popular drink. It's dead easy. It's basically just lime juice and rum and ginger beer. But if you do it like 99.9% of every rum company out there and use their own brands, it's not a real one.
Right.
Okay, so we have got the real one because in 1991 Goslings trademarked the name.
Right.
Okay, and it has been known that they will sue you if you do it wrong. Okay, so we're going to do our best here. Ideally you need to get the Goslings dark rum, which is this one, Black Seal, lovely. Okay, they've also do their own ginger beer, but in this country it's very tricky to get a hold of their ginger beer. I've seen a few people try it and it's come through in destroyed cans, so it's not a good idea. So we're going with Bundaberg, which is an Australian one.
This is ginger beer as in alcoholic, isn't it?
No. Well,
It's
that's
not.
a bit of a misconception.
Okay.
Crabbies is alcoholic.
Right.
You can use Crabbies if you want. Most ginger beer isn't alcoholic.
Ah, okay.
Okay, although it's just a perception that people think it is. Try not to use ginger ale. The kind of ginger ales that you get, like tonic water, ginger ale, those kind of things. Don't really use that, although it'll just change the depth of the drink a little bit, I guess, really. Okay?
Okay.
So we're using this one because it's a decent one we can get here. I could have used Crabbies, obviously, but that make it even more alcoholic. So this is a dead easy drink. What we need to do is we need to get some of this and some lime together first.
Okay, so what do you want me to do?
So we need 6 ounces of this one. 6 ounces on ginger beer.
Straight into the glass, yeah?
Well, straight into the glass. You're going to mix it with some lime. Now you can
Oh, this is weird.
mix this up together. I know, that's why I get you to do it. There you go, well done. It's not your favourite kind of drink, this is gingery.
I'm not going to be drinking this, I'm sorry.
Okay, it's fine.
Right, hang on.
So
I'm
you
gonna
want,
have to do this
theoretically
at
you're
a
just going to top up the drink. But if we're going to do this with the measurements, let's do it properly. So these are the measurements from the Gosling actual website, but it's pretty much standard.
time. That is 6 ounces of ginger beer.
Okay.
Now what?
Well, now put some lime in it. So again, if you're in Bermuda, they probably just give you a lime wedge and you squeeze in how much as you want. But
Right.
we're going to just squirt some out. Yeah, so just squish some around. Roll your limes, get yourself a bit more juice out of them if you need. Lovely. So just squeeze yourself some lime.
Like half of one maybe? Or?
Yeah, probably. Yeah, it's a to taste thing with the lime. Okay. Lovely. That's it. This is dead easy. Just throw that into that. Perfect. Now,
Want me to cut a wedge as well?
cut a wedge as well. Why not? A wedge or a wheel will be fine. Right. Now you need the Goslings Black Seal rum,
Right.
preferably. If it's a legal one. If it's an illegal one, use whatever dark rum you can get. We've also got, trying to think which one we've got here.
Crusty juggler.
The Crusty Juggler is a good one, which is local. Also Kraken is very good. Another dark black kind of rum. 2 ounces.
2 ounces.
So it's 2 ounces of rum, 6 ounces of the rest, really. Now, hang on. Very carefully, try and pour that on top.
Not
So
down
don't
the
mix
side.
it. No. In fact, throw some more ice in if you want. We've got quite a big glass. We'll throw some more ice in. Because the whole point is really, you can mix these together just as one coloured drink, but it's quite nice to do it properly. So a bit more icing. If we had a slightly narrower glass, we could have just put it nice all the way up the middle of the glass. Yeah.
Right, then I put that on the top, yeah?
Perfect, and you just, do that carefully over the top. Use a spoon if you want, that might be an idea. Like we did the other day with this kind of floating thing.
I'll do my best, but I can't guarantee.
Well, it doesn't have to be perfect. It's not like a floating level. It's just the whole point.
See, half of it's going on the table.
Doing exactly what I have to do. That's fine. That. You have to spill a bit of rum, but hey, you know.
Well, it's quite difficult getting
That's
out of
okay.
the glass. It's not a pourer.
But that is a dark and stormy. And as you can see, when you do it properly, you get a kind of wonderful effect.
Yeah, lime on the top,
Yep.
ginger in the bottom,
Yep.
and rum in the middle.
So it's just kind of, and if you gently swirl it, which we could do if you wish, but we probably need a photograph. Get a few storm clouds coming through. A dark and stormy. Isn't that lovely? Perfect.
Cool.
Very good, isn't it? Dead easy. This one, like I said, I mean, use most rums you like, but it's got to be a dark rum, real dark, heavy rum, and balance it properly like this. Mix your lime and your ginger beer first, because that kind of, I think the sugary thing, like we had before with the Guinness thing that we did,
Yeah.
it kind of holds the spirit on top, and then you just drink it through. Perfect. Thank you, Ellen. Well done. I'm going to take a little thumbnail of this, and I'm going to be drinking it in a second.
Yeah, I hope you enjoy it, because I'm not.
I will be. You're not a fan of ginger, are you?
Absolutely not. Go on then.
Right, back in the room, because we've done the photograph for the thumbnail. Very nice. I'm never going to love it. I love rum, I love ginger. What's the problem? It's really nice. It's very refreshing.
Of course, you got like
Yeah, the lime is almost, well, it's sharp, but it's kind of sweet as well, because it's mixed with a bit of rum. You get the spirit, but not so powerful, do you think? It's not like you're whacking a brandy down your throat and it gets a big burn, but then you get a kind of different burn from the ginger. Nice. I'm going to enjoy that.
good.
I'm not going to quaff it down in one go. Did that before on the channel. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, please hit the notification bell, do all those things. Come and join us on Big OGGIE World. I'm going to get behind camera because you're going to do a curry, I believe.
I am going to be making a fragrant lamb kofta curry.
Perfect. I shall drink this behind camera. Hopefully I'll keep the camera steady. Bye everybody. Speak soon.
See you later.